So this is a video on how you're going to activate your drone as soon as you receive it. Now, if you buy a drone brand new, you will need to activate it like this. However, if you're buying it used, you will not need to do this. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and turn on your controller. So turn on your controller. You're going to turn on your device, whether you're using Apple or Android, and then you're also going to turn on the drone. Now, once that's all set up, you're going to go ahead and open up the DJI Go app, and it should log in here and it'll open up. Now it should immediately pop up and have us try to activate this. So it's going to go through the aircraft status, and there we go. So you can see it pops up, activate your Mavic 2. Now it specifies that it does need to be activated. There's no way around this. So if you plan on having your drone and flying it, then you're going to need to activate it. So go ahead and hit next on there. And you're going to authorize it first, and this basically allows DJI to see your information. So you can go and hit authorize. Now go ahead and read through the terms of use. Now read through this, please. I'm a speed reader, so I'm speed reading it through right now. And go ahead and click the box down here, assuming you agree with all of the terms and conditions, and you hit I agree. And then you get to change your aircraft name. Now, you can change this to be anything that you want. So you can change it, now. You can change it later in the settings as well. Okay, so go ahead and turn, and then go ahead and hit continue. Now, it will ask you the mode configuration for controlling the drone. Mode 2 is the normal one, so that's with your left stick controlling the drone moving up and down and turning left or right and rotating, while your right stick is going to be forward, reverse, and move left or move right. So go ahead and keep that in mode 2 unless you want to change that otherwise. But again, you can change this later in your settings. So go ahead and hit continue. Now you can also customize the C1 and the C2 buttons on the drone. So that's easy enough to do. And again, you can change this after the fact. Go and hit continue, and then it'll give you kind of a breakdown of the LCD screen on the controller and what everything means. Go and hit continue again. Now here in the USA, I'm going to select Imperial, but of course you're able to select a different option for speed and height. And then you also have a chance to enable or disable beginner mode. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off, hit continue. And after that, it'll pop up with your account information. Now, if you've never logged in with DJI before, you'll need to create an account. Now, if you have an account, of course, and you're signed in, it should already pull that up. And then go ahead and hit activate, and it should go through, and you should be all set. Now, occasionally you will run into issues while trying to activate it, and it'll say that the server is busy or something like that. Obviously, if that happens, try again later. And then, of course, it pops up with DJI Care Refresh. Now, I go over that in a different video. It could be very beneficial for you, so definitely look into that and purchase that within the first couple of days, or sometimes it's more difficult to try to add it onto your drone or impossible. And go and hit continue again. Now, it also pops up with a quiz. Now, you can skip this quiz a few times, so go ahead and skip it this time. Hit skip. And after that, you restart your drone, and it should be all activated, and it'll pop up with the message saying that the drone has been successfully activated and you are all set. There we go, Mavic 2 successfully activated, and you can hit skip, and you are all set. And that is going to be how you activate your drone. Now that's how you're going to activate your drone, quick and easy to do. Now, one more quick note is if you purchase this drone used, you will not be able to activate it because it's already activated. And if you're selling a drone, you do not need to deactivate it from your account. Basically, when the new owner gets it, they're going to log in with their information and it'll be assigned to them. But there's no need to deactivate a drone from your account if you are selling it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll have a lot more stuff coming out on the Mavic 2 Zoom and the Mavic 2 Pro. Of course, if you have any questions, make sure you put those in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.